guys, in today's video I have something very special. It is my Chaco unboxing. So while I get this opened, we'll have a little chit chat. This summer I'm going on a couple of, ooh, I just broke this Kat Von D makeup brush. Well, all right, I didn't use the brush anyway, but that wasn't the smartest. So I am going on a few tropical vacations this summer, and I needed a pair of comfortable walking sandals. Reason being, I feel like if you're going to be doing jet skiing or different water sports or on a boat or hiking, sometimes a sneaker isn't the best option. So I got my tree hugger sandals. I really did not want to buy these shoes at all. If you saw my birthday vlog, you will know that I think these shoes are kind of ugly, but people keep telling me that they're awesome, they're super comfortable, and I'm probably gonna end up loving them. So I purchased my first pair of Chacos. I'm super excited. I picked these up from shoes.com. I will leave the link down below to the actual pair of shoes that I have. Now I purchased these from shoes.com because I believe they had 10% cash back on Ebates, which I will leave my link down below. Always shop Ebates, you get cash back, it's like free money. And I also saved 20% on these sandals. Now, if you know anything about Chacos, you know that very rarely are you going to find a good sale that's across the board on like every style of sandal. So I got these shoes for about $88 including tax. So this is the style that I got. It's called the Women's Z Cloud X and the color is Action Blue, and I got them in a USA 10. So let's unbox these babies. So this is what they look like. They don't come with any wrapping, which I thought they would. Here are the shoes. It comes with some little, this is probably, these are fit instructions, and this is the second sandal. So I will include a try on portion in this video, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick tour of the Chacos. Like I said, these are nothing very fashionable. Now I did try to pick a colorway that was colorful yet kind of still muted so I could wear it with whatever color, because these are expensive sandals, so I don't want to buy more than one a year, so I didn't want to have to buy other colors. So I figured this is kind of neutral yet still a little colorful. So it features this cushioned footbed that is flexible so it moves with you. I decided to get the pair with the dual straps without the toe strap. Now I hear varying things with regard to people's opinion of the toe strap sandals. I do think if you're going to be doing vigorous mountain climbing or something, the toe strap would be beneficial, but I'm not that adventurous, so I thought this was just enough. Plus these just look like they're easier to get into than having to actually put something around your toe. So I got these in a size US 10. I do wear a size 10. I went ahead and tried these on before purchasing them online just because I wanted to make sure I was getting a good fit, and because I never purchased a pair of these before or tried them on for that matter. So this is what they look like. These sandals are fully adjustable. I will link a video down below that talks all about adjusting your Chacos. I believe depending on what side you adjust from, it either tightens them or loosens them, so that's going to be really beneficial. But I'm super excited to try these on. Like I said, I will insert a clip of me wearing them. I just see them being super comfortable and just awesome. Another good thing I like about them is at the bottom is slip resistant, so if you're going to be doing any jet skiing or any activities that kind of involve the water, or after you do something in the water, you don't have to worry about slipping. This is going to give you all the traction you need, and hopefully I find that this fit is very comfortable as well. So yeah, I can't wait to wear these for my upcoming vacations. I will be sure to do a full review after I have worn them for a couple of months and kind of broken them in and gotten used to them. But I can say that I'm very excited, and I didn't think I'd be so excited to try on a sandal like this, because I usually like cute dainty shoes and patent leather. So I just want to share with you guys a little booklet that came with it. This says, see this in action, get step-by-step instructions at chacos.com/adjustment. So this just tells you how to adjust your chacos, because it can be kind of tricky. Whoops, that was upside down. It can be kind of tricky because there just are so many straps. Now, these shoes actually come in a variety of styles. I believe the most popular chacos are the ones that tend to look generally like this. They do have some leather variations, flip-flops, and I believe some like open sneakers or something like that, but these tend to be the most popular ones. Now, they do have versions of these sandals that feature one thick strap. I did initially want that, but I decided to go for the dual straps just because I figured it looked a little more dainty and something that a woman would wear. And like I said, they also have the toe strap one. You can get the toe strap in the variation with the single strap or the double, and I believe they even have a triple strap version, but that's just like a little too much. But yeah, I'm super excited to give these babies a try. Let me give you a close-up at the print. I think it's really pretty. Something that I could even wear with what I have on now. I mean, maybe not as dressy as a top, but I could definitely wear it with black and jeans like I'm wearing today. I can wear this with white, green, pink, everything. So I am super excited. If you have any questions about these, definitely leave them down below so that I can write them down, because I will be doing a full review on these sandals. I posted something about them on Insta stories one day, and you guys really wanted to know my opinion on them. Just off the bat, I would say you need something like this if you travel a lot in the summertime, just because you don't want to be that girl that's walking around with hurting feet. I would save your cute sandals and your heels for the nighttime, but definitely if you're going on excursions or doing anything outdoor and adventurous, you're gonna need a good supportive sandal. So I'm really excited to wear these. So yeah, leave any comments or questions down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.